Hello everybody, today we're doing a business-to-business PS4 HDMI port replacement. As you guys can see, I've already got the old port off. There is a torn pad. Luckily it's a ground pad, so no jumper wires will be needed. Let's go ahead and get this port on, get them back to gaming. Let's dig in. Let's get these posts soldered in. That's the final outcome on the posts. And there's the pins. Let's bolt it up and test it. And high performance thermal pads. Let's test it. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Every little thing helps. We have memberships available now too. We are also hiring. New videos dropped every Sunday. Be sure to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.